really cool moody pictures. Group. Good morning, Phoenix fam. What's popping? We got up really early to take some pictures in the fog. The fog is almost gone. You can see it just a little bit, but the entire wooden area here was covered in smoke. In fog. So we just put on our cute princess stuff and went out there to take some really cool moody pictures. Having the Cry, look at this, Cry licensed JPC. Ooh, that is some Gucci stuff right here. Tried out some stuff with my friend AJ and my friend Steven. Hunter is still asleep. He's coming out right now so we can take some Flecktarn pictures in front of the Humvee, which is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna post that in the group before we go to Overwatch because yeah, we have to wait for a package now. I don't know when it comes. Like, we hope it comes soon so we can leave to the AO. But yeah, other than that, I think we're gonna have a coffee now. Everyone's still a little tired because we got up at 6 o'clock, but that was totally worth it. 100%. 100%.
La 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 la.
Yeah. Okay, dude. It's not a big deal. Honestly. Dude, this is, I just love the way this looks. I was telling Felix I might actually wear this like on Sunday.
Do you think, is that allowed? Like, do they approve the camera?
I ain't about to say,
because are they like the ones where they're, like, AMS was so strict about it?
Honestly,
was like, that's not the proper camera.
If Robin took painting, it looks green, so it's not like it's like...
It's completely green. But, like, they got on
Son of a bitch.
How were the pictures? Lit, bro?
Yeah.
Insta burners?
Yeah.
Can you see some?
Yeah.
I hate them right now.
I like the way it looks.
I like how this one looks.
That's a nice one of AJ.
Oh, mine's expensive, but it's not.
It's not expensive. We will.
Add over.
Cool.
Oh, those ones are cool.
What is it? I'm allowed to.
It's like our new Brom, right?
You're not allowed to. You're not allowed to rep. You can't rep. You're not.
Little mini update.
I
We
should
did
have
a cool
seen
photo shoot, like with our Flecktarn. Steven was in.
Flecktarn!
And then yeah, we popped 2 smokes. But now, like every day, the sun is getting too high, and yeah, it's too harsh. So I think, Ich seh nix. Exactly. So I think we gotta go inside, start packing so we can leave for the
I'm
AO.
learning German.
Oh, you got a pack still.
Thanks for cool pictures.
I have some of my stuff laid out. I just don't have all my, like... Ich seh nix!
Hold on, does my hair look okay?
Let's get packing. Said no one ever.
I know, my hands are slippery. I don't have full dexterity like I said in my post.
Oh yeah.
Did you see when I made that? Full dexterity. I was like, I can't grab that.
What up? We're finally on the way to the AO. AJ is behind us in his Jeep with his trailer. We're in a super cool truck with all our stuff in the back.
Yeah, I can't see.
They're back there
There's AJ.
with their little trailer.
Amazing.
And yeah, now we're hauling for like 3 hours down the road. And then we're finally there. One day early, and then we have to do some stuff right away. So I would say see you later. It's pretty boring in the car.
We're gonna get snacks.
Wow, we gotta get snacks.
We're gonna eat at Zaxby's.
We're gonna eat lunch.
Chicken stuff.
Chicken.
Stay tuned. See you later. Hey guys, we're going to Ave Maria to like a community, check out the Irish pub. So everyone's finishing stuff up now, so yeah, we really need a beer. I need a beer. I'm German, I need some beer. But yeah, Andy of course gonna take his casual ride. This thing is just so awesome.
Don't let him hit you. There's. Oh yeah.
Because it's so loud, you need comms inside. To the chopper! Get to the chopper! I'm gonna say that when I go to from a helo.
Yeah, to the helicopter.
Get to the chopper!
Pretty, like look at the sky, it's just pretty.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing here.
No,
and the moon.
Look how bright the moon is.
That is cool.
It's gonna be perfect for night vision.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up, you guys? We made it to Overwatch. We're at the AO right now, Altair training facility. Finally. Sadly, it's already dark out. So yeah, it's like 6:30 something. It's very dark, which is cool for the game day.
Yep.
Game day.
Yep.
We're gonna run knots like really early. We have a lot of time to play with knots. Now, not many people here. They're setting up the last stuff.
Yep, just staff and spawn.
Just like the some
Stampede.
Stampede's already
Tent's
here.
behind us.
And then gate opens tomorrow at 10, but we're gonna beat them. We're gonna be here earlier.
Take some pictures, some video. It's gonna be fun. Get to go around the AO.
And then do some slow-mo stuff. We have some smokes we have to burn through.
Yep.
What is better than slow-mo? Killing mosquitoes, because last time the place was swarming in Lovebox. I think you remember putting the video right here. But now it's the Lovebox exchanged for
Mosquitoes.
a lot of mosquitoes.
Yes.
So everyone's just like twitching,
Yep,
like touching each other, themselves, and yeah.
What's up?
We should do that. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be
epic. Who's that?
Yeah, tell me more. Don't tell
Who's
me
that?
more.
Okay, bye, Phoenix Fam out.